And we did the other side, and this side I'm banking that. Those bolts had a boss, and they never did go flush to start with. There, so I made them, had to grind them off, make a mess. Didn't do all of that, show all of that. Not much of a videographer. But ground that down so I could make it fit flush with the bolt or that strap under it. Now, gonna have to take a little more off. See the gap? Other side I've got it up, and it's flush now. So I'll take a little bit more off of that with the grinder than this, so I can get that up there, pull it over there, and then I'll have a strap there. Be my first strap. And that'll hold that right there. I'll probably have to drop it just a little. Yep. In a little more. There. Right down. Tag it right there and I'll be good.